Hello, I'm Miss Wilson. I'll be teaching Miss Carney's art class this year. Welcome to Preston's open house. This year we'll be learning about the elements and principles of design and also learning some hands-on art skills. We'll be using a workbook and doing projects in class. On Mondays we have synchronous learning, and we'll be doing projects that are either independent or they'll be based on an assignment that we're also doing in class. In the art room, we have some safety measures in place. There's no sharing of art supplies, and we also are using disposable table coverings that will be thrown out after each person leaves. You can reach me at wilsona@harrisoncsd.org. I look forward to working with your children this year and seeing how they grow artistically.